So Volvo XC90 boot latch, common fault is they always stick. So what I've done, if you can see in the latch bit, you see that silver bar. Now that's brand new. I've just changed that. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to change. This is what the bar looked like coming out. You can't really see that very well on camera, but it's really rusty, and it was worse than that. I've cleaned it up a tiny bit. So all I did was bought a brand new piece of, I think it's marine grade steel, so it should last forever, or longer than the old one anyway. So the first job to do is, I don't have any editing software, so I've just put it all in loosely. You take the grab handle out, that's the hardest bit to get out. Once you've pried that out, you've got your T20 Torx there, and the interior light, you've got a T20 Torx there as well. So once this is popped out, you've taken your Torx out, this unit here just pops on. So you can literally, I can take one hand, it just pops off. You see the white poppers, and they go all the way around in these holes. Now, what you're trying to take off is the boot handle. So you've got two 10mm nuts, flange nuts, one there and one there. Now you do that's the windscreen pump, not the pump, the windscreen motor. So I think these are 10mm nuts as well. So I found it easier to take this off, but you don't have to. You can do it, just loosen it. So if I swap hands, you take that off. Now my windscreen wiper is already off because I was in the middle of changing it anyway when I decided to do this job. So we take them off, so that just pulls out, if you can get the nut through the rubber flange a bit without breaking anything. There we go. So that just unplugs, pull it out. Now they're the tricky bolts, tricky nuts is here. Again, 10mm flange nuts. And the other thing to look out for is, bring this back down, is this is the actual cable that releases, that's what you pull in to release the boot lock, and that just goes in to that little boot there. You can see that, so I just used a pair of long nose pliers, pulled that out, and that was fine. We've had, so we take this out, this one, so just as I said, there's 4 10mm flange nuts, and their shed's ready to blow. And so there's one in there, you've got the 2 in the centre underneath the rear windscreen wiper pump, and another one there. So if we just open this, now because I've already had her out, she's just going to pop out. They do get stuck on the number plate, so I'll just put this down while I use 2 hands. Just push the number plate in to get that out, and there you have the handle unit. I did forget to say you need to remove the number plate lights as well, really, the lenses. So you can see that silver bar sticking out there just a tiny bit. So all I did was use the new bar and use that to just drift the old bar out, and the new bar went in and it got a bit tricky when you were trying to get into that other hole, but you just use your fingers and feed that through, pull the old bar out, and then you put the new one in and it works like it's brand new. Springs right back, so you'll never have any problems with your boot again once that's done. Okay, thanks for watching.